Now it's for the bees. Now remember, I had a big air bubble here and a bubble here I just really didn't like at all. This one stuck out like a sore thumb. So that's going to have a bee on it, no question about that. This one could have a bee on it as well. So 2 problems solved. And then of course when you've got a beehive you do need a couple of bees to actually talk to each other, because they give messages and let each other know where the food sources are. So with these ones, we're peeling off the back, but I'm not going to peel the last bit off until I'm absolutely finished. So this is the underside. I'm going to glue it down over that gap. I'm just going to use a squish of the glue, just paint it across. What a mess. And pop it over that big gap. Too much glue. Let's see if I can use less this time. This one is here, so I'll just put a little bit there. I'm going to look very cute, and it's going to be there. So I just want a little bit. So these two are having a conversation, and they talk about new hives. They talk about where the food source is, where to get water, what's going on in the hive. They're very clever honeybees. And there we have, all the gluing is done. What do you think? Little bees, beautiful shards, little flowers, ready as a sun catcher.